What's up, you guys? Tamer here from Tame Life, here to share with you one of our upcoming experiences in Hua Hin, Thailand. At the Tame Life experience here at V Villas, we're excited to share with women sustainable ways in which you can create a life of health and well-being under the conversations and topics such as weight loss, nutrition consulting, and fitness and exercise programming. This retreat offers women ways to lose weight, detox, cleanse, and create a simple and sustainable way for you to take the tools you learn at this experience back into your everyday life to create the health and well-being and the goals for the lifestyle that you're after.